What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing well. So, we're gonna do a video. We're gonna be talking about One Piece, One Piece TCG. And before I get in this video, I made a video last week about why I think One Piece is a pump and dump right now. And surprisingly, I got a lot of hate from that video, which was strange because I didn't speak out of my ass. In fact, I just went to look at the charts of all the booster boxes and all the sets that are out. And if you look at all the sets, that indicates the up and down that you see of these TCGs, specifically OP2, 3, and 4, are doing this on the charts. It's going up and down the past month and a half. That to me, my friends, is called a pump and dump. Okay, and then right now OP1 and OP5 are dumping still right now at 15% losses in the last 3 months, and people got really offended. People got really offended by what I said, that it's it's a pump and dump, even though it is. So before I get into this video, if you're a subscriber of mine and you respectfully disagreed with me on that video, that's completely fine. I appreciate you. Even if you don't agree with me, that's fine. I don't expect you to agree with me on you don't have to agree with me on everything, but I respect the fact that you did respectfully of disagree with me. To all my subscribers, thank you. And just overall, all my subscribers, thank you for all the support you guys show me and everything like that. Now, all the haters that came in the comment section, just random people, and they're saying and trying to roast me and being disrespectful. It's just, I just think it's hilarious that you guys, all you haters, are going on that video that I made and disrespecting me. Like, you just wake up one day, you go on your phone, you watch a video, and you decide to put some disrespect out there because you care so much, and your emotions are way more volatile than a sissy woman, right? That's what your emotions are. You are a sissy girl. So the fact that you get so emotional after watching that video and you got so riled up that you had to come on my channel and roast me on that video, well, be prepared, my friend. First of all, you wouldn't do that in front of my face. You wouldn't say the things to my face in real life, right? And then second, get prepared to get even more triggered in this video because I'm going to give you full technical analysis. I'm going to give you full analysis, okay? And if you have different conclusions than I do, that's completely fine. Go make a YouTube video right now and prove that your point's way better than mine. It's freedom of speech. Grab yourself a headset, grab yourself a webcam, grab yourself a PC setup, and go make your own videos of why you think the OP franchise, the TCG, is going to go to the moon. But let me ask you a question. All the haters out there that are shilling One Piece, why are you bullish about it? No one gave me a logical answer of why people are bullish about One Piece. I saw logical answers of why it's a pump and dump. I saw logical answers of why it's not a good investment. I didn't see logical answers about why people are bullish about it. Why are you bullish? Why do you have so much faith in this TCG? Is there something that you know that I don't, or the rest of the community doesn't know? You have inside information? I'm being rhetorical because you don't. You don't know, and of course I don't know. However, the difference between you and I is that I don't put emotions in. I do technical analysis. I do my own research. I look at trends. I look at data. I look at history. I look at historical data. I look at everything in the whole macro sense. Okay? This TCG is extremely novel, right? It's only barely 2 years old. And the fact that you are betting all your chips on this TCG just proves to me how ignorant you are about you not knowing anything about TCG in general. I've been in the space for a long time now, and I have seen thousands and thousands and thousands of cards, sealed product. I have seen so much. I have seen price volatility. I have seen it all pretty much. Okay, I'm a seller. I'm literally on the ground. I am literally on the front line, right? Your local LGS, your sellers on eBay, your sellers on TCG Player, those guys, including me because I'm an eBay seller, we're on the front lines. We see market fluctuations on a daily basis. So for you Timmies out there that are saying, "No, dude, you know what you're talking about. One Piece of the moon, bro." Okay, that's fine. Okay, but don't come to my channel disrespecting me and disrespecting my subscribers, because I'm gonna roast you in this video, and I'm gonna make you sad after watching this video of the fact I'm gonna spit towards this video. Cool. That's my intro. First 5 minutes. Now let's go ahead and get right into the actual analysis. So let me go ahead and make my prediction. Okay. This is the first trigger, by the way. Disclaimer. And another disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Do your own research. Do your own technical analysis. This by no means is financial advice. If you need financial advice, seek a professional, seek a financial advisor, because I am not a financial advisor. This is just for pure entertainment. Cool. I put 2 disclaimers out there. Now I can proceed. Over. So this is my prediction. My prediction for this TCG, the next 12 to 18 months. Obviously, with anyone with a brain that understands how TCG works, everyone knows that the prices on all these sets are going to crash. Okay, we can agree with that, right? Oh, we can agree on that, right? Though, that if you print more supply and there's more supply in circulation, it's going to put downward pressure on the price. Okay, and when it does that, the price will dip, and then will sometimes dip 10, 15%. And depending on how long it lasts, is depending on how much supply is in circulation and what the demand is. Can we all agree on that fundamental notion? Okay, moving forward. Now here's the twist. Here's the twist that's going to upset a lot of you guys. This crash that's going to occur is going to be way bigger than you guys are anticipating. You guys are anticipating 15, 20% crashes, 25% crashes. I am willing to bet that we're going to see 40% crashes, 50% crashes on the sets. Okay? We're going to see big, extreme sell-offs of this TCG. And I'm going to explain to you exactly how it's going to happen. And there's nothing you can do about it. You know why? Because that's exactly what happens on every single trading platform. You want to trade trading cards? You want to trade stocks? You want to trade Bitcoin? You want to trade shitcoins? You want to trade cryptocurrency? You want to trade literally sports cards? You can trade literally whatever. Okay? Trading is not the same as investing. Investing is a long-term thing. Investing is when you hold for an extremely long time, having faith in whatever you buy, in hopes that the price is a lot higher than what you bought it for. A trade simply is that you hold for a very short amount of time, whether that's a day or a week or a month. Okay? But the initial goal is to trade at, the initial goal is to buy at a lower level and trade it at a higher price. That's trading, okay? And I don't know if you guys know anything about trading, right? But where there is liquidity in a market, TCG has a big liquidity pool, okay? Traders are going to be attracted to that. Do you guys understand that, the haters? That there are traders in our ecosystem, in the TCG world. There are people that have humongous amounts of capital that are ready to deploy that capital into a good amount of supply. Okay? Now, for all the people out there that are saying, no, bro, the player base is big, and there's bigger player base than Pokemon. Are you sure about that? Are you sure individuals, the demand is being driven by individuals? Sure. Majority of the product out there is being bought by individuals. But are you so sure that maybe 5, 10% of the supply of a set is not being owned by a few people? Are you sure? Because you can go on YouTube right now, you can find all these YouTubers who have a good amount of 3, 4%, 5% of the supply. And that's a lot of supply. You say to yourself, well, it's only 5%. The rest of the 95% spread out through LGSs, individuals, and collectors and investors. Yeah. Let me tell you why that's a naive belief to have. Sure, on paper, 5 to 10%. Let's say 2 people own, 10% of the supply, 5% each, right? And let's say prices go up. Got a good price. They're ready to just dump all the supply, right? And you have to understand, when you own 5 to 10% of the supply of anything, you're going to have a market shock, okay? You're going to see a big dip. when you see a big, massive sell-off of a humongous allocation of 5 to 10%, right? And that's what's going to happen with this One Piece TCG. Okay, there are traders. You know how I know there's traders in this? Because you see the volatility. It's up and down, up and down, up and down. People just want free tendies. Okay, that's what Wall Street wants. They want the free tendies. That's what professional traders want. Professional traders don't care about the stock. Professional traders don't care about the sentiment of the long term investment for whatever investment you're thinking of, right? They don't care about that. They care about getting in and getting out with more than they put in. That's all traders care about. And if you're naive to think that there's no traders in the TCG space, you are naive, my friend. Okay? So, like I said, there are traders. Okay? And that's what's going to happen with One Piece. Okay? When the One Piece collapse happens, when the reprint comes out, when it goes down 20%, all these YouTubers are going to come out. All these YouTubers are going to come out that are One Piece, One Piece channels are going to say, well, Diamond Hands, blah, blah, blah. One Piece is still a good investment, blah, blah, blah. Just hold, 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 hold. And, of course, everyone's going to just believe, what their favorite YouTubers are shilling, right? Without even doing technical analysis, without even doing their own research. They're just going to just believe your average opinion of these YouTube gurus, right? And once you start dipping the 25%, 30% dip, that is when the market will get fucking scared. That is when you will see a massive correction. When it's past 30%, then you will see flash crashes down to a new bottom. That's what's going to happen. There's going to be mass sell-offs. And all it takes is 5%. All it takes is a 5% sell-off. Okay? Creates a little flash crash, and then it's literally like a good analogy is like a block of Jengas. You have your Jengas, boom, 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 and then eventually the whole thing just collapses. It just takes a few Jengas that just rip out to have the whole thing collapse. That's what's gonna happen. Okay. And for you guys who think that I'm full of shit, that there's no big players out there that are just trading TCG and they're professionals at it. They've been doing it for a long time. That have storage units full of TCG products, and they're willing to just liquidate on the secondary markets, your eBays, mostly eBays or just auctions in general, right? Like you can go on eBay right now, you can find a booster box that is pretty relevant or like a newer booster box, and you'll see a lot of these people that are selling, and you see in the sold section, a lot of these buyers have sold like 500 booster boxes, 600 booster boxes, 700 booster boxes. You're just thinking to yourself, bro, I can't even get 5 booster boxes. How the hell does this person have that many booster boxes, right? Well, those are the big players, my friend. And they're just selling off, putting supply in circulation, okay? So like I said, once it hits 30% on pretty much all of the sets, because you have all 5 reprints for all 5 sets, once you see 30%, you're going to see a massive sell-off that is going to capitulate, right? You're going to see a massive capitulation to a new bottom. And once we hit the new low, I don't know what the prices will be, but I'm predicting a 40% crash on all the TCG sets, right? And you're thinking to yourself, well, Bandai will get it right. Bandai will get it right because, they'll just get it right. There's no way they're professionals. They know what they're doing. Are you sure about that? Because Magic the Gathering right now, Hasbro is printing Magic into oblivion. That is the complaint right now of the Magic community. All these remastered sets, okay, and all of this overprinting into oblivion is not holding up the value for any of these collector boxes, right? And Magic's been around for 30 plus years, and right now they're going through a cycle of overprinting. Okay, will that happen? Will that continue on forever? Probably not. Will Magic still be here? Of course, because it's established. It's been here for 30 plus years. Same thing with Pokemon. It's been here for 25 plus years. Cool. Those TCGs will be fine, right? However, with One Piece TCG being less than 2 years old, okay, Bandai accidentally put themselves in a very bad situation. That is a damn if you do, damn if you don't type situation. Bandai has their hands basically tied right now. If you think Bandai is going to be able to do it right, the professionals, blah, 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 you don't know that. You absolutely have no clue. Because here's the thing. If, let's say they do overprint, well, they'll overprint. There's excessive amounts of supply. That's going to put, already a downward pressure on the price, not even including the sell-offs. Okay, not even capitulation at all, right? That's just like, 10, 15% drop, okay? And if they do that, that's the overprinting scenario, which is the scenario that I believe is going to happen. They're going to overprint the shit out of it. They're going to overprint the shit into oblivion because Bandai doesn't care about your investments. They don't care about the secondary market. They don't care about your YouTube channels about One Piece and your speculations about One Piece. They don't give a shit about that. All they care about is revenue. Okay, TCG companies, all they care about is revenue and getting residual customers that are continuously buying their products. Okay, as long as their products hold up, they don't care. So Bandai can make the mistake of overprinting. Okay. However, if they short print it, if they only print not that much for each set, well, then you're going to see a temporary dip. Then it's going to fly back up, and then it's going to get so fucking expensive that the hobby is not even worth it. You're going to price out all of your consumers because it's just too damn expensive. Either way, the same result will happen. Traders will literally just dump at the highest price. People will buy at the highest price and get wrecked, while the other person that bought at a lower price is going to just dump it on your head. That's how all this shit works, guys. Like, there's no we're in this together type shit. It's player versus player, right? It's who can stick out the longest and who can make pivotal decisions that's going to be financially beneficial to their situation. While most people are just gambling and have no type of technical analysis. So this video is coming out about 20 minutes. If you disagree with anything I said, cool. But I literally just gave you an educated prediction of what I think is going to happen with One Piece. Okay? And whether you agree with me or not, that's completely fine. I don't care if you agree with me or not, right? I'm here just to warn you. I'm here to warn you because I don't want you to get wrecked. I don't want you to lose money. If you actually followed my channel, if you actually sub to this channel, I hate people that shill their favorites anything. Okay? And when they're shilling their bags, okay, that's extremely dishonest to me. Okay, that's extremely dishonest. And that to me, unfortunately, has crept into the TCG world, and it will continue to get worse because it's literally all these cards, all these sets, all these booster boxes. They're all unregistered assets, guys. It's not right. It's not regulated. So you're gonna see more and more and more traders. You're gonna see more scalpers. You're gonna see more people that are going to manipulate the price. Okay. What else can I say? So if you disagree with me, you want to continue to roast me, cool, roast me. I don't give a shit, right? I don't care. But like I said, understand what's going on, and I'm just the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger, and don't be mad at the messenger. I am just relaying you the message of what I see is going to happen. See you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your night. Take it easy.